Oh, what do we have here? Entitled driver flees every traffic stop, never ends well.
On March 31st, 2023, officers attempted a traffic stop after observing a vehicle traveling at an unusually slow speed.
What the fuck is she doing? You know what's crazy? You would think speeding is one of the top 20 things that cops pull people over for, but it's not. It's actually when people are driving too slow and doing stuff like this. It's like the top 20 things that cops pull people over for. She's pulling over. On these type of days, I like to be in the house chilling. Why would you pull back in traffic? These type of days, I like to be in the house on the couch under a blanket. I love these type of days.
Yeah, currently following, like I said, no rate of speed. Made a right northbound on Beaver.
She don't see the cop is right behind her? At least she's obeying the traffic laws. She's going super slow.
That's clear, dispatch. We're going about 20 miles an hour northbound on Beaver.
When you're driving this slow, you are definitely a danger to everybody that's on the road because you have to go a certain speed level. So going this slow is just downright stupid, and it could cost somebody's life. I like this neighborhood. All right, she's finally stopped.
He stopped. We're out with him.
Show me your hands. Show me your hands.
He's taking off again.
He was supposed to cut her off completely, but he didn't, and he missed out on this chance to stop her. So hopefully he does it right the next time.
They're continuing. Direction. Northbound Beaver. 15 out of the mic.
15 dispatch. We're northbound. Female driver. Asian. That's clear. We're just coming up to the point now. She's still obeying the traffic lights. She just won't stop. Yeah, I mean, we could probably spike it. We're northbound on Burbank. Passing the 1500 block.
Officer, please put your seatbelt on.
Westbound Highland. Driver, show me your hands!
Are they gonna put down the strip so she can't roll off? And if she do, they her tires will go flat.
Out of the car.
She's still got.
Uh-oh. Ooh.
Put the car in park! Put the car in park! Put the car in park! Now!
She don't speak English?
Car in park! Car in park! There's a lot of glass. Hold on just a second. Get up. Out. 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 No. No.
So let me get this straight. You are driving in a country and you don't even speak the language, or do she speak it and she just speaking in her native language because she's more comfortable? But either way, that is not a good look if the cops are behind you. I don't know what they do where you from, but this is not how you do that in America.
Stop. She's got lots of marks all over. I don't know if that was from the glass or not.
It's definitely from the glass. What the hell is she saying?
Mày me's very okay. Không lấy cái đồ đó ra.
We'll just go ahead and search her here.
Đồ đó đồ đẹp. Đồ đẹp, đồ đẹp. Tất cả là đồ đẹp không hả?
We'll cut it.
Yeah.
Đồ đẹp là sạch không? Không cần phải sơn. Đừng có làm hơi của đồ mới rồi.
Stop.
Không có làm thêm sách mới.
Stop.
Nữa. Không có làm quay mày mới của giò nữa.
Okay, she's
Đừng có làm
gripped
thêm
on
quay
it.
đó. Hơn cái đó hả? No, không thêm quay.
Let go.
No, thêm sách. No, không thêm sách.
Oh, she answered his ass. She said no.
You're doing things the hard way, just so you
Cất lại
know.
trong xe. Tôi kêu tôi phải đem bị đem kêu mấy cái đồ chớm ra nữa. Đổi thêm mới quay à.
I don't know what the she just said, but she mad as hell, and she gripping on something because he trying to get it out of her hand.
Không.
She got anything in that pocket? I did not check.
You believe xấu. Làm gì xấu rồi? Không có làm đúng cái của người ngoài đời dưới chân á.
Get her in a cruiser.
I don't know what her
clear
deal
the-
is. I have
This is
no
her
idea.
deal.
She's drunk.
She just does this. She get intoxicated?
Tao không làm model của mày đâu mà tao phải kiếm vợ cho mày. Tao kiếm con đĩ đàn bà nào tao ngó là dòm gì cho mày hả? Đủ mẹ tao chưa có thằng ông nào lên
Let's put her in back.
Yeah, let's go.
cho mình vừa nữa. Đó. Chồng chứ quên, đang chồng chứ quên, mình nói chồng chứ quên. Không phải đàn ông mà nó
Whatever she's saying, she angry.
chồng.
We'll put her other side if we can.
Tôi nói chồng cho tôi, chồng của tôi là không có phải đàn bà.
Get in.
Chồng của
Take a seat.
phụ đàn bà, chồng lên.
See,
Đàn bà rồi không đi kiếm đàn bà, chồng lên rồi vô duyên nữa. Cái đó đàn ông nhưng mà nó bị gánh thêm lắm công chuyện đàn bà, tôi cho nên tôi bực quá, tôi phải đi ra khỏi cái đám công chuyện.
yeah, just out of nowhere, you know,
Pearson did the same thing
Ancient Chinese secret.
last summer. So.
with her.
Đánh cái này bể xe rồi, phải đưa cái đó lại đây. Đưa đây cho me, please.
Oh, I knew she spoke English.
Cái đó my personality.
We cancel 99 or bring one go back.
Oh, she just had to talk shit in her language, and then she had to calm down, and then she could talk English.
Hello,
Okay.
sir. Your wife is my van, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we need. I could probably give you a ride if you have no one else here to give you a ride. She currently just got arrested. She's stopped at Burbank and Highland right now. If you need a ride, I could give you a ride to come get the car, or else they're going to tow it. They were in a pursuit with her. She's arrested right now. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know all the details. I wasn't in it, but that's what I know. And we're just before we tow the vehicle, I came up here to try and stop and get you since I was around the corner to see if you'd
Is
want
she
to.
still at the car, or she already?
I know she's in handcuffs. As far as I know, she's still on scene and hasn't been taken to jail yet. But
I know when he see her, he gonna give her a great verbal ass whooping. Cause how do you do this and you right around the corner from the house? Like, how, Sway? You could have called me, whatever it was you were doing. Cause she drunk. She gotta be drunk acting like this.
I imagine that's where she will be going.
Okay.
If you would
He
like,
said,
I can
"Oh,
give you a
God."
ride unless you have someone else that's with you.
Yeah. Can you give me a ride out there?
Yeah, I can give you a ride.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, thank you, sir.
The woman was charged with failure to obey a traffic control device and fleeing and eluding.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. This was bizarre. If you do not know how to speak the language in whatever country you are to obey the laws, the traffic laws, you don't need to be driving in them up. And the fact that she didn't get a DUI, this is just her normal behavior. I can only imagine how she is at home when there's no cameras and nobody else around. But that's it, baby. We